guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, welcome back for yet another video. From the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I style or use a quick protective style when I'm on the go and don't want to think about it too much. So this is a headband wig. It's straight human hair. I can flat iron it and do all of that. So there's no lace, and then you do not need any glue for this hairstyle. I love the little bag that it comes in. It's really nice. I love the color. And the hair comes like this. So like I mentioned, this one is straight and it's also 20 inches. Straight out the bag, it looks like that. So there's an adhesive at the back. There is a comb at the back, and at the front you have 3 combs as well. I'm gonna install it by clipping the back and fitting it on my hair. Now, some people wear it like this, but I will show you guys how I style it because I do not want to just leave it like that. Like that's weird. So you have to secure the back and the front, of course. So I make sure that the clips are in underneath the cap, nice and tight and secured, so it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. And what I do is I curl this so it could fall back and kind of just secure it at the back. So for the most part, this is kind of what it would look like. So it feels really, really good. I do like the length of it. It's really nice. And in the packet, they send you like 5 headbands. I'm gonna straighten it just a little bit more so it can be bone straight. And you can see that I can use heat in it. I do like the flattened look of it. It's just so pretty, you know? And this is kind of the look we're rocking, honestly. It's really cute, it's really simple. Basically, you can transform your look with this quick hairstyle. It is human hair, it is very nice and light. I mean, you can even do like if you want to be daring, you could even put it up kind of in a ponytail, but that's not really my journey. So I'm gonna give you guys the options with the ponytails. So that is it for the video. I think this is very cute. I love how lightweight it is. I love the hairbands because I mean that's very in these days anyway, and I can switch it up based on my mood or my outfit. Anyway, have you guys tried a headband wig? And if you have, what did you think about it? What do you think about this one? I am loving it. I really like it. I will link the details below in the description box so you guys can try it. And I want to thank Fashion Plus for sending me the hair to try. So feel free to check it out and join the conversation below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.